Zach with Web3 Reviews. Thank you for being with us. Today is Monday, June 2nd, and we're going to be talking about the crypto market. Let's go. Remember that none of this is financial advice. Just like I said, man, we're in this range. We're going to be back on Monday in the same place. What can you do? I'm actually expecting a summer of pain, okay? I don't care how good all the news is. I don't care how bullish everything is at XRP Las Vegas 2025. I'm expecting a summer of pain, man. And I know that sucks to hear, but maybe if you're trying to stack up, it gives you some relief, all right? You don't need to do that all tomorrow. Because you know what, dude? We're going to have a full summer full of buying opportunities. And I could be wrong. But dude, in my 8 years of crypto, I've never experienced a summer that was fun. Have you? Am I wrong? Tell me if I'm wrong, man. Every summer comes with pain, bro. You know why? Because people are out enjoying their life, dude. They're not doing crypto 24/7. That includes the guys at Ripple. That includes the market makers. Nobody's playing when the sun's out, man. All right? Except for you degenerate. You're playing 24/7. You're checking your bags. You're options trading at your kid's birthday party. Yeah, I took my kid to a birthday party this last weekend at a trampoline place. I got talking to the dad of the girl whose birthday it was. He told me he had just gotten into options trading and he was just trying to make $100 a day doing it. And it was Sunday. He opened up his phone. He was like, damn, I can't get in and make this trade for whatever reason. So I started opening up a little bit. I was like, hey man, you ever heard of? And he like matched me when I said it. I was like, hey, you ever heard of crypto? You ever heard of? And he was like, XRP? We said it at the same time on like some weird jinx stuff. I didn't jinx him. I didn't say he owed me a soda, you know? But it was pretty funny. I asked him if he knew about it. And he was like, no, I actually know nothing about it, but I just keep hearing about it from everybody. I'm like, dude, that's hilarious. That's really funny. Well, get yourself some. That's what I told him. Go get yourself some, man. Stop doing these options trades and buy yourself some XRP too. Keep doing the options trade. But the fact he was doing it at his daughter's birthday on a Sunday was hilarious to me because everything is gambling, okay? Everything and anything can be gambling if you allow it to be. And if you're at your daughter's birthday party at the trampoline zone and you can't put it down, then you've entered the phase of gambling, my friend, okay? I saw this video of Neymar playing poker on his phone and Neymar's taking hands of online poker. People were like, bro, this guy's cooked. It doesn't matter how much money you've made, man. If you get addicted to that online casino, it will be bad for your health, dude. Treat this as investing. Treat this as stocks. Don't treat this as the digital casino, okay?
Dana, I've given him like $1.3 million myself to pay off his market. He just couldn't stop losing and he was down like $2 million at the blackjack table. And I went in Gen Pop and I won 800,000 and gave it to him.
Digital casino, man. You find yourself losing your money on X. You find yourself trying to make it up, doing this and that. Next thing you know, you're gambling on tennis in China at 4 in the morning. You're gambling on window washing.
Game, 2, 3.
There's so much bullshit out there in the digital casino, man. I don't play Pump Fun. I don't play First Ledger. I don't play meme coins. I don't play celebrity endorsed coins. And I know we're going to see celebrities endorsing a lot of Bitcoin, a lot of XRP, okay? That's what we get at the top. We get celebrities coming in and endorsing shit. Dude, this cycle we had a few celebrities who stuck around, bro. We had the Mother Coin, Iggy Azalea. I think she stuck around so that way she can't just say she rugged everybody. But hey, she stuck around nonetheless. Somebody else could be running her Twitter account, I guess. It might not be her at all. So Bitcoin's $104,000, all right? It's ranging. We're still in this range. Look at us. We're fighting the all-time high. Good for Bitcoin. Are we in a falling sword? I don't know. But there's the chart and there's Bitcoin. ETH, 2,500. So in the 1 month, ETH is up 36%. Not bad, ETH. Look at that 1 month chart. On the 1 year, ETH is down 33% though. So it still has not reclaimed everything that it was at 1 year ago. All right, ETH used to be $3,800 365 days ago. At one point, half a year ago, it was $4,000, and now we're only $2,500. The crypto market has room to run when ETH has not yet hit its previous all-time high from even a year ago. We have not yet had our blow-off top moment, and we will. We're gonna have a blow-off top moment. Maybe it's not gonna be with Bitcoin and ETH. Fact remains that ETH has a little bit of room to run, in my eyes. At least that 33% to get back to 4K, which will bring it back to a previous all-time high. You know, ETH follows Bitcoin. Everything follows Bitcoin. So the fact that Bitcoin's fighting its previous all-time high, ETH is going to eventually do it, okay? It's going to follow Bitcoin. It's going to fight its previous all-time high. XRP, $2.14. You know, XRP historically was always the last to go in these bull markets. But this time it's not, man. This time it woke up and it's proven people wrong. On the 1 year, we're up 314%. So we just saw that ETH was down 32% on the 1 year. Meanwhile, XRP is up 314%. Come on, XRP. And we just said XRP Las Vegas. And we'll go check in on all the stuff that came out of XRP Las Vegas in a few seconds. FLR sitting at 0.019 cents. We're still fighting that 0.02, okay? But on the 7 day, we're up 2%. On the 1 day, we're up 3%. 1 month, 4%. FLR's fighting and the momentum's building and everyone's getting hyped up, man. Uphold, man. They know what's up. They said still here. That's edge, not obsession. You want to get ahead in this game? You got to keep playing, man. You can't be that guy who puts it down when it's not fun. Keep fucking playing. buy some shit and hold on. XRP Millionaire said, I don't care if it is obsession. People should be obsessed with their future. Looking back won't achieve anything. I agree, man, 100%. Look ahead, look where you want to be, and then focus on how you're going to get there. Work backwards. Where do I want to be? What's the final goal? Take steps to get there, man, every day. Man, let's look at what Uphold's been talking about, man. They've been saying some bullish shit. So they reposted this from Dr. Martin Hisobek, where they said, while global discourse continues regarding the theoretical frameworks of real-world asset tokenization, Dubai has definitively advanced the landscape by successfully tokenizing actual real estate title deeds. This initiative transcends previous models, which often involved the tokenization of special purpose vehicle SPV shares or fund holdings, and instead places genuine property ownership on chain. This groundbreaking development is a testament to the forward-thinking approach of the Dubai Land Development, DLD, in collaboration with Control Alt Vera, Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority, and PRIPCO. This partnership has launched the Middle East's first government-integrated blockchain-based tokenization of real estate title deeds hosted on the XRPL. Historically, real estate tokenization efforts face significant challenges, inefficiency, high costs, legal complexities, and limited scalability, often failing to deliver true innovation or unlock substantial value. Dubai has fundamentally disrupted this paradigm. The implemented solution is fully on-chain, supported by a live operational platform, compliant with DLD registration protocols, integrated seamlessly with the National Real Estate Ledger. With investment opportunities commencing at AED 2000, Dubai aims to cultivate an AED 60 billion tokenized real estate market by 2033. The selection of the XRPL underscores its recognized attributes of speed, reliability, and regulatory-grade infrastructure. This is not a theoretical exercise or a speculative venture. It represents live, fractional, and government-backed native tokenization. For the first time, fractional real estate ownership is accessible to a broader investor base, powered by a blockchain trusted by regulators and overseen by the DLD. While other jurisdictions focus on white papers, the UAE consistently delivers tangible production. Dubai's proactive stance firmly establishes it as a global leader in RWA tokenization. We are proud to be contributing to this transformative ecosystem within the UAE. A call to action for founders, investors, and builders. Cease waiting for regulatory framework to evolve elsewhere. Consider building in a jurisdiction where regulators are actively leading innovation. And so Uphold posted this, and they said real estate deeds, fully on-chain, backed by government, running on the XRPL. Fractional ownership is now live. Builders, take note. And then we had this post from Flare Networks where it said, understanding Flare's role in F Assets 1.1. And Uphold posted this as well, and they said, what's Flare actually used for in F Assets v1.1? Here's the breakdown. Minters need Flare to mint. Agents lock Flare to secure. Over collateralization equals security. Core vault equals efficiency. More use cases equals more Flare demand. Songbird was the preview. Next, Flare mainnet. Just in the nick of time for F Assets, we have Uphold tweeting about Flare. Dude, Flare was built by Ripple. Uphold has a bunch of XRP. This is a connected player, man. Hugo and his DeFi protocol for not just XRP, not just Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Doge, but for all of crypto is going to take over crypto. They're a top 70 token now. Just wait until they go live with F Assets on Flare, man. Rob Frasca says this. Interesting breakdown. The evolution of financial assets is truly a game changer. Just like the first time I flew a jet, it's all about harnessing the power of innovation and making it work for you. Keep pushing the envelope. Real world asset tokenization and Flare's DeFi protocol, F Assets, coming to the XRPL. Dude, if you're not hyped up, if you're not playing, I don't know, man. Why not? Why wouldn't you be hyped up? Here's some news from XRP Vegas. Brad Garlinghouse sitting here with Justin Tron. And Brad's looking like he's seeing some sun, man. Good for him, dude. Good for him living life, man. You gotta enjoy life, dude. Dude, look at Justin's son wearing these white Nikes, bro. Come on, man. How much money you gotta be worth to be wearing white Nikes when you meet Brad Garlinghouse, dude? You're all suited up at XRP Vegas, and you got on the white Air Force Ones, dude. That's hilarious. And it says Tron. It's got the banana, which we know this banana. I don't know what this is. Did they buy the art? Is this just a joke? I don't know. Check this out. Uptown Saul says this about David's post. David's jackpot post today was at 2:43 p.m., the 883rd minute of the day. 883 is the 153rd prime, and tomorrow 6/2 is day 153. And this is the post from David Schwartz, aka Joel Katz, aka the Wizard, bruh. You know, I don't know the hierarchy at the wizarding parties, but I know David Schwartz is up there, dude, because of technical prowess, man, because of what they've allowed him to do in the real world. Maybe they can't even hold him back, dude. That's how powerful he is. He's an unchecked source of wizard power, bro. He's gonna come forth and do what he's gotta do, man. It's like Haggard out here with that broken wand, dude. He's still doing magic. It don't matter. I think he's more up there, dude. He's more like Dumbledore. We don't even know it, dude. David Schwartz out here, a real life wizard, bro. He's had his hand in everything from the beginning, dude. He's the man behind the veil, dude. Okay? The Wizard of Oz, bro. And it's David Schwartz back there, bro. Pulling the strings, dude. But his post said jackpot, and the grand was at 11,106.78. And we see everything on this. Winner, 1458. 58.3. David Schwartz doesn't just post shit to just post shit, okay? Everything he does is to troll you. Everything he does is to give you a heads up of what's to come. I'll never forget the day the SEC sued Ripple. One day before that, David Schwartz told us all it'd be a great time to take profit, man. He did, dude. He said, yo, great time to take profit, friends, if you have a life-changing amount of money in XRP. The next day, dude, we get hit with the lawsuit. XRP fucking spirals. Goes from $1.80 all the way back down to 50 cents, dude. David Schwartz sitting there like, yeah, bro, I told you so, man. Well, now look at what he's telling us, dude. A coin trio of fortune trails. Holy fuck, dude. What are the 3 tokens? FLR, Songbird, XRP, maybe XLM, XDC, Algo. I don't know, bro. HBar. Any token on that ISO 200 2022 protocol list, man. I think they're going to run. I think that we have money coming into crypto over the next 5 to 10 years. These financial institutions don't want to get left sidelined as we make money here in this game. People are coming to play in the sandbox, man, and they're coming to build and they're coming to stay. This isn't just some fuck around shit. It's not about just trials anymore. People are actually doing it, dude. They're onboarding. They're throwing money at the wall, dude. And the wall happens to be XRPL, dude. That's where the train's already left the station, bro. Rosie Rios. If you're trying to catch that train, you're gonna have to throw a bunch of money in that wall to catch the train, bro. You're gonna have to catch a moving train, dog, because XRP is that train that's left the station. And I know that we're sitting at $2.14 in this range. But if you would have got in back in 2019 when XRP was 17 to 22 cents, you'd be feeling a lot better about this range right now, let me tell you. I'm here to tell you that things are gonna get better, but we might have a summer of pain, man. We're gonna break this range. Dude, are we gonna break it to the downside for the summer of pain? I sure hope not. We might sit in this range the whole summer of pain, man. And dude, summers of pain, if you use them properly, they can make or break you. Let it make you, man. Just like my friend, the coach. Get rocked in the face. Don't let it knock you out. Let it make you. Make the best of your situation, man. Till next time, Zach with Web3 Reviews. Stay well.